Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and Eskimo got back to me because and if you didn't watch the first video on this, we're trying to make the sides a particular length of sides. So in the previous video, if you just take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node and then hit duplicate and then let's make it 5 inches and hit apply. And then when you select everything and match the vectors, it drew another polygon, so you had to delete the other one. Well, he got back to me, and right here, if you uncheck that, so let's just kind of start over with this so we won't mess it up. 2-point line from there to there, duplicate, make it 5, hit apply, then grab everything and hit match, and now you only have one polygon. 6, 7-sided, whatever you would call it. But this is pretty cool, and I've got a link to this macro on the other video, but I'll put a link to it on this one also. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.